So I brought another DRL LED strip for my Myvi. This is a 45cm LED strip with flowing effect on the turn signal. As you can see, the LED strips are flexible to bend with the wire, and 45cm length is right enough for Myvi Gen 3's headlamp. In this video, I will only show you how am I doing the wiring. It looks complicated if you don't know where to connect the wires, but once you know it, it is almost as easy as plug and play device. So that's it for the unboxing. 2 LED strips without constant current driver, but the Lazada seller claimed that this is upgraded version where the constant current driver has already built in. This is a DRL that I have installed earlier. And now I'm installing the LED strip on the headlamp by connecting the wires to the existing DRL below. And here you can see the yellow, red and black wires. Yellow for the signal, red for the ACC and black for the negative. So this is where the yellow wires goes to. I connect it to my return signal light bulb. To take it out, you just have to twist it counterclockwise. Do note that you will void the warranty because the sticker is being broken. So here you just have to connect the yellow wire to the red wire on the light bulb. And now you need 2 longer wires for the red and black wires. I am using the speaker wire as I couldn't get any wire from Mr. DIY. This is how I arrange the wires. They go all the way to the battery. I connect it with the left DRL, then eventually the black wires come to the negative pole of the car batteries. Some people will just connect the black wires to any metal part on the car. Both will serve the purpose. Choose whichever as you like as long as it works. This is the point where I join the red wires from both left and right DRL. And they are connected to this longer red wire. And this red wire has to be pulled all the way to the fuse box in the car. And this is the only way I found after hours of searching. I pull the wire from this corner to the door. From here, then I pull it behind the glove box. And then I connect the red wires to the ACC fuse, which is the second on the left with 5 amp fuse. Please note that this is for Myvi Gen 3, where I find the ACC port as indicated on the glove box. And ACC stands for accessory. It will only supply power when the car's engine has started. As usual, test the LED before you stick or glue it on your car.